Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. And today we are making a custom Indiana Jones from Indiana Jones. So the first thing you're going to need is the hat from the Lego movie Deputron. Then you're going to need the face from young Han Solo from the Solo movie, funny enough. Then you're going to need the torso from old Han Solo from the sequel movies. Then you're going to need the legs from Rebel from Rogue One. Then you're going to need just a satchel piece. And then you're going to need a whiplash piece. And for the golden idol, I used C-3PO's head. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!